In this video today, we're going to be learning how to cut this baby's wear with the simplest method there, and this is very simple to do. So stay tuned and watch to the end for this video. Thank you. So to do this first, I'll be folding into two first, then I'll fold into another two, and then I'll leave about 1 inches. Sorry, please. I'll leave about 1 inch or 1.5 inches for my zip allowance. Is that simple? In fact, I consider children's wear the simplest clothes to make. Okay, so ensure that you have your full body measurement plus sewing allowance on this fold. Okay, once you are done, you ensure that you can now go ahead and mark your shoulder to your half length. All right, so I marked at 11. This is for this child. The half length that I'm working with is 11 inches. Okay, so I'll be marking, and then I'll go ahead and mark my neck depth. I'll be measuring the neck depth using the neck depth of 2.5 inches and the neck width of 2 inches. So this is my neck depth of 2.5 inches, please, and then my neck width of 2 inches. I want to extend this by ½ inch. Okay, I'll connect to my neck width. All right, then I'll be measuring from this point 4.5 inches. All right, this is from my neck area. I'll be measuring 4.5 inches, and then I'll come down by 5 inch plus the ½ inch. Okay, that's the ½ inch for the shoulder slant. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and curve this out. Don't forget that you have half length for your shoulder slant. All right, so basically that's practically almost everything, but I will still go ahead and measure the body measurement of this child. So I just went and marked back the back neck of this dress. I didn't want it to maintain the same 2.5 inches, so I just put my measurement, and then I marked 2 inches for the dart area. All right, that's the point where my dart will start, and then it will come up by about 3 inches or 3 plus, so that's 3.5. Okay, so I will cut out, but before then, don't forget that I have not marked my body measurement. I'm just cutting it out so that I can remove this fabric. Is a bit heavy, so I want to now measure out the body measurement. That's the chest, because children don't have bust yet, so I'll just measure the chest area plus my sewing allowance. That's 7.5. That's plus my sewing allowance. That's I'm working with 6 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance. All right, okay, and because they are not curvy, there is no much difference between their chest and their stomach, except the child has a protruding stomach. Okay, so I'm just notching the dart area. This will be the dart area. I'll go ahead and cut out the remaining pieces. The back neck, this is what I'm cutting now, the back neck, the front neck. Then I'll go ahead and cut out my shoulder slant. So the front area now, or the upper area of this dress, is practically ready. I'll just go ahead and put my darts and all that. So the lower area of this gown, I just want to maintain a gathers on this gown, so I marked the length of this lower area, and I'm having a 15 inches, that's 15.5 inches. I'll form my gathers round. I just want to show you the width of the fabric I'm working with. It's not so much. Okay, I have this, so I'll just form gathers round it, round. Okay, and then so that it will be easy for me to join in. Now look at how the dart is. This is the dart for the front area. Okay, and this is the dart for the back area as well. Okay, and I've not yet ironed out the pieces, so forgive their look. I will turn the upper part. I will turn their neck area. Okay, now if you want to put a small design, it's totally optional. You can decide to do this or whatever design you want. If you don't want the upper part to be too plain, you can use the lower pattern, the lower fabric of the lower area to attach on top of the upper part. Okay, so I'm just trying to form my gathers. It's very simple to form, just so straight. So I quickly attached my zipper. In fact, this gown is practically ready, and then I joined the upper part of this gown, and then quickly joined the lower part. That's this gathers plus my upper side. All right, and this is how it was looking. Don't forget to hem the lower parts of the dress and attach your sleeve, the sleeve of your choice. Okay, I just went in with the gather sleeve, and that is all for this video. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye.